Okay, now to customize your own theme, or that you go into this part called appearance, and then you've got themes. So by default, they've put this particular theme in here like this, okay? But you can go and find a number of awesome themes that are free, or you can get paid ones if you like too. So you can search for a term, for example, a type of theme you're looking for. For example, like let's say a music type theme. You can hit search and see what comes up, and then they'll bring up these versions of different themes that are available on the WordPress platform. So WordPress provide these for you, and these are free. There are premium themes that you pay for, and you can get those also through WordPress or through other third-party providers, such as companies like WooThemes, and they develop really high-quality customized themes, and that meets your criteria for your website, which you can customize yourself, or you can go to a developer and ask them to develop a customized WordPress theme, and you'll find that because it's WordPress, the large majority of all developers are familiar with WordPress and developing themes for WordPress. So it has a lot of positives. So let's just say, for example, you decided you wanted to go for this particular WordPress blog. And click on here, just have a quick preview of it. Okay, so it shows you that. It gives you an idea of what the text will look like. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. All of this stuff here. Pretty awesome. A couple of sample pictures, sample header. Okay, all looking pretty good. And so to install this, you just simply hit install. Install now, and you can activate it or return to theme installer, and you can go back to manage your themes, and you'll find now that that particular theme is there. Okay, so if we want to find another one, maybe we'll look for something in say cooking type theme. Nothing on there. What about design? You can also look for these themes on the WordPress.org website as well. Okay, they've got an option there, and I'll show you that. So here's some more pretty cool looking themes. This looks kind of cool. It says here highly SEO optimized, etc. So again, you just quite simply install that and install now. And what you can do now is you can choose which theme you would like to activate. And it's pretty simple. So currently we're running with this default theme. What you can do quite simply, so you wanted to use this one, we just go activate. New theme activated. Theme supports widgets. Please visit widget settings, okay, to configure them. Widgets are the little, I'll show you what those are in a minute. So basically what we've done there, we've activated this new theme. So if I go back to the website, you notice it's in my blog folder which I created. If I just refresh that, there you go. Okay, so you've got that theme installed. All you need to do now is go and add your images and create your content, and the way to do that is quite simply you go to posts. You can have a look at all posts, and there's that hello world option there. You can edit that, you can delete it, you can say dismiss this and change that to my first post. You can update that. There's plenty of tutorials available too on how to use WordPress, especially if you just do a search on YouTube on how to use it. There's heaps and heaps of videos that people have put together on how to use this theme. Again, I'll just go refresh, and there you have it. My first post, you've got there, it is there. I've got a sample page here. So they've created a sample page as an example. Again, if you wanted to edit that page, you can go into pages, sample page. But see how easy this is? You can simply go in here, delete all of that there, put your own text in. You can put a heading in if you want. Yeah, got a WYSIWYG editor option up here, and again you can install different WYSIWYG editors, and then you can change this to whatever you want it to be. You know, you can bold it, you can italicize it, whatever. If you're finished, you can update it to save it. And you pop over here and you just refresh that page. And there it is there. Now remember I said you can change the description. It's quite easy to do that. You go down into the settings and you go general. And there it is there. So you can call it, you know, my new blog. And then you can put a tagline in here. My new blog is about cool stuff. Of course, you would put in something much better than that, and then it's got the link. Just shows you the address there, the site address, and you've got an email address, which that's not a real one. That's just the default one they've created. You can put your own one in there. You can select your time zones, and then you just hit save. And then you've got an option down here with this theme called My Theme, and you can go in here, and this is one of the really cool things. Say you just don't want it to be blue, you want it to be red, so you just do that, save changes, go back to home, refresh. Okay, so it's changed color. You've got my new blog. My new blog is about cool stuff. So that is how awesome and simple it is. You can install, upload a file for a header logo. So say I just wanted to put something up there for an example. Let's try this out. You can put a logo or blog name location. You can select where you would like that to appear. So you can hit save changes there. And if I just refresh that, there you go. I've just uploaded just a file off my server, which I use for my blog here. Okay, so of course you would use your own one, and so you've got all these really cool options. Okay, in background you can upload a background image, repeat, background color. You can change that here. Header image URL, so you can choose a location on a server where you want the header image to be, and that'll be an image for it'll fill the whole header area, which is this bit up here, all behind that logo there. So I just wanted to show you that how simple it is to build your own website using WordPress, and you don't really need to get a designer or a web designer to do that for you. You've got widgets here. I'll just quickly show you those. So what you'll find by default, they've got all this information, metadata, categories, archive. You can quite simply do this. If you don't want any of that there, you just move it across. archives. This is how easy it is, guys. Recent posts, and there you have it. Okay, you've got a side banner space there, so you can put a banner in there if you wanted to. But there it is there. Now if I just go here and refresh this, awesome. See, all gone. Alright. So, and if you want to put them back again, you can quite simply pop that in there. You can call it categories, or you can just leave it as it is. And there you have it. Alright, so you got text. So if you wanted to put a arbitrary text file in there, you could do something like that. Put a title in, and then you could put some code in here that would display, you know, either a banner ad or something like that. And you know, you can put HTML code in here. So you can put text or code, and then you can save that, close that, go here, refresh. Okay, there you have it. So to customize or remove this area, you know, I guess this goes to admin and find my theme opt-in form. So you go down here, you go my theme. There it is, opt-in sign-up form, and it tells you, would you like to collect email addresses? If you say yes, it'll show up. You can upload your own image. You can align it left to right, so it doesn't have to be this image. You upload your own one. Okay, and just a message in here. Put your own message, and you can put your own opt-in HTML code. And then you can save that. So for example, if you had an account with someone like Aweber who was handling all your email, you could put their code in here, and that way when someone subscribes, the email address will go to the Aweber database. But you see how it just changed that there with your message, and you can put your own image in there. It's very, very cool. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. And that's pretty much it, guys. I just want to take you through that and just show you how simple it is to upload and install your own website using WordPress, and how easy it is to go into these themes like this and quite simply activate a new one, and then go here, and you'll notice that now that theme will change to that one there. Okay, awesome. My first post, you'll notice the text and everything will stay the same. See how the widgets are the same as well, and sample page, my new blog's the same. So it is awesome. So hope you enjoyed this this video, guys, and this article. If you've got any feedback, please send us some. I've got some details at the last page of the magazine. If you'd like to request any particular articles or any information on WordPress, please submit that information to us, and we'll be happy to provide you with that information in future coming articles or future coming issues of WordPress Hub.